Bor Kapatisi TV Kabul ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakhamskem khamstet khamklan bat baduna bam umpnya
Nehu Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Community College West Giant Hills District kala pelong daga program IJhi kai gabane nyusngi banchnai gi jingbam kum ki ice cream ketchup hot sauce chili oil mayonnaise candies jam marmalade almond cashew butter bat kui kui kani gi jing IJhi kai ka thmu man kin tie gi samla bakin la ban sengkam sengjam ban banyang hala gi jong ki kijat nakabenta ban kershan yeladi ba ya ki yeng gasam Hakani gijing IJhi kai lawan wan shipmenta kumbasan phongot ki samla chinlang bat kanthai na po West Giantia bat East Giantia Hills District yakini ki samla lawan ban batai bat IJhi kai do riu shampang usamla alim paryat yakini gijing IJhi kai la pankut hak arpsau tri urisau na gijing sam certificate chabaro ki samla hak jing yalang bala penyai do program coordinator Uma Wellness Rambai Skill Development Center Waejer
it is a paradox that we are still longi beduk hapdeng kespa mariang kababon ngidon gede ke state kabadan hakata kapngiong ka hot belt ka hotspot in terms of biodiversity mo kabumut ki badan not ki jingdon jing em jong ka mariang mene kumalong iweni ginong kren yang bakumno ngila banlong ki beduk habangidon ka spa kadne dan so ay ko ganuksa la de pie kren ya gajingyo yo slap ngiyo not less than 3000 millimeter of rain la de share kren on an average the village ki than sora amlarem more than 10,000 millimeter of rain 10 meters depth of water surprisingly nilong ka state ka bukadum sngap kabomod kadon ka mismanagement of the resources that we have yende katagaway and kabapla kalong ba states like Andhra Pradesh which hardly received 1000 millimeter of rain kibayo tanggam ba shimita ruslang kila create a network of water bodies and ponds ban rido kha and they exporting fish to Meghalaya 8,000 kilometer away from Andhra Pradesh. Prakhat Bham Api Prasamla. We are sitting right on top of goal actually. You don't shibon gaspa Mariam. Due to a certain reason, ngimshim lay thu ya gaspa. An gani gaspa kasutu shati sharithor lagalong sa Bangladesh, lagalong ru sa Assam. Tingong ye phi gani kapor kan mau bangilong ka state ka baruspa hadu kata-kata ka badan shibon ngansu anuk saipi of late langba gani ka make aroma mission ngansu batai khindiat yapi ka way ni ka objective jong gani ka mission ka long ban convert ye ki 17% wasteland ki badan apa Meghalaya wasteland kumut kini kilong ki bomdan jingthong jingtap mde ki barap kabam mde ki barap sok totally highly degraded landscape kaweni ki landscape ki balong very popular ki dikini ki shnong ki badan hapo kithan Narwan Shangpung gitu ki coal mine belt the introduction ye gini ki aromatic grasses like lemongrass citronella vetiver amde tang balala ban restore the environment ka soil kalalo more porous water recharge is happening kidon ki springs that has been completely revived lapan embiang yaki environmentally kabot kini kijing thong kilala ban bha but bakham kongsan kalong ba through the support of these CSIR institutions ngilala ban bo ikitu small processing unit ki ba shed yo tu plang ban penmi yaki ikum phnyang but kita ki phnyang yong ki essential oils but menta kini ki farmers ki jongi kila penmi igini ko umphnyang kila sedang bandi, and also do the further analysis on producing the byproducts. Kum kitu ki mosquito repellent, nang ta kum kitu ki flow mopping liquid, nang ta ki kini ki kilom congestion ki bangiwa haki kali ki diffuser. Kila long sisa ke jingtrai ke batamai ladangi ngadang ong ye Dr. Subyan ong maybe kene ke jing penjala jong banajrong balese kene ke college ke bangiru gilaban reach out amtangi gini ke initiative jong ke MBDA through the Institute of Natural Resources ndre mentan ngadang syekran sepang kata jing duna parlok ke gabung banong gidon kini officer na for soil and water conservation lada ka foundation jong ka rep karyang ka tray ka kata kabalong lada ka kendau kamlong ka basbo lada ka kamdan kini ki products barok kinamdan kabumot we have to go back to the basics ngide bani bangimde ban thiet ki byproducts na shabang baro ngide ban produce locally but khamtam la dengela ban produce kumbalong Professor Barik bane kibalong unique kiba khamlong special ni gane jaka kum ke Department of Soil and Water Conservation ngene katla kadyai ban penbhai ka khndo ban tengkai ko khnang ba shubu mentai in this context of climate change if there is a delay in the arrival of monsoon ngile kumno kinong rat kinomla mo ban sedang ban penkre ki hali ke jongki. Through this initiative of creating a network of water harvesting across the state, mentangi sngongo shubo dia ke sarkar India, kala shim ya ke loan na ke Asian Development Bank, kala ayo ko ke grant yang ke state, but mangi ke Department of Soil and Water Conservation, ngila sedang ban create iki network of water harvesting structures ke bangi ang ki multi-purpose reservoirs. Mdei tang ban address ya ke drinking water security ndrei na kabanta ban long road life saving irrigation structures yo kumno mno gadan ke dili aka jingwan jong slap kinong rep jongi kila ban penan kam ya ki pong ya badan ban sedang ya ke farming activity jongki tang kata kini ki pong ya bangi persang ban create in the natural depressions ki badan hap kelen kini kari ke jongi kalau ru ban yada naka flash floods kam ban poi shidu shalong shidu jawai your main outlet can be at Krangsuri or maybe hagini ki jaka natyang you don't have to go all the way to Shillong. The products can be sold right away at these tourist hotspot te prasamla ki perlo ki badan ne report kai ga bangamut banong ipi kalong ba ni long ka state ka badan shibon ka spa but kum ke Department of Soil and Water Conservation ni kwa ban penklan ya ke foundation ka balong ka nongrem jong ka rap karyang ga jongi ladam dan how do we even plan banle agriculture lada ka khndo ka bangimut ban rap banreng kamlong ka balong productive mentangi persang ban buso ya ke wai ka jing perkhat hagi nongrap ki jongi sapang kata ka zero budget natural farming hagabam dan kano ki input cost mentala bhekra ni kini ki products ki ba bhepen mi lada ka dor jong raw material kalong so high let's say ka net profit jong phi ka nomlong ka ba he hado kata prasamla lada ngila ban strengthen shwai ya ka productivity level jong ka khndo da ka bangi practice si kita ka bangongi phi mentan zero budget natural farming kamu dia kata kamu bikin nongrap jongi ki penan kam ba ka spa mariang ka sbo mariang but hawa kila penmi ye kita ki jingthung jingtep jongki ka wei ka bagila ban long very sure ka long ba ki long ki products ki balong healthy but ki brew ki balong health conscious prasamla kin skotana wat ban thiet at the price double triple ye ka bagi thiet ngan shu thu ipi mentan lagi ni processing unit ru ki bagilai persang na po ka Meg Aroma Mission just for your information perlok ngidon almost kamba roughly 17,000 to almost 21,000 lakh hectares Kibarandan under highly degraded landscape across the state. 17% of the total geographical area of the state kidan under the degraded landscape. But hangni amla balay ay pia karen jaganaga thain narwan pimna bantum reu plang uday u primary colonizer hagataga story of succession. Hadian bu plang lami ka support igiway pat ki jingthong kala banlong kiding kan bat ke berit kala banlong skiding ba prasamla kai gabang amut ban ong ipi kalong ba hapreng jong kini ke jing persang ke jongi ban convert ye kini ki wasteland into productive land ka way ka bangi I kalong ba ki phlang kini ki ba biang e ban sedang I initiative jong fi kan ong mane ye Dr. Subir maybe from this batch ngin persang banyalam ye pi bapinya kendo bat kini kinong rep ki jongi ki badan hang the po menska hakle rangna hamoshra kumno bagi sedang menrat kini ki plang kumno bagi sedang ben proses lesena ke sipomot ke banyalam lari we arut I persang ban replicate ya ke model haki jaka ke bapidan haki sidang ke bapidan lesekan wanra e ke jengkala gatre ke kta ke jompi kaba skotna chapang kini ki processing unit kalong ba kilong multi purpose in nature ganang ong yiki ngisan nado yeki ki plang ban pemi umpnyang ngisan ro wat yeki ki sla jongnu shinrai bro shikato all these days we had been concentrating on the distillation of the rhizome but now we can even distill the upper part of the rhizome yo sla shinrai ro mentang la sedang ban distill niyo eco oil kabadon kam haki pharmaceutical industry para samna nganaw ifi the opportunity is endless dan jingker kasudang kam tang ika skill development ngidon kum ga government lagalong lang baga soil lagalong lang baga niga Meghalaya Basin Development Authority kabaga sarkar hi kalabo kum ka way ka institution but reach out to the community by bringing the line department in one platform ka jingtmu kalong gata bangi don ya ka spa ba kabadan hagani kari ka jongi bangi sko buram shibon through the organic certification ka bangi lasdang banne kalong bagini ki products jongi bonsin kilong by default organic in nature but la dalong organic produce lele ka dor jogi ki umpnya kalong ka bahe ru kata tikai ka bangaman banong ipi ka step para samla kalong take this opportunity ngong ipi bagade kade kajing yakendo ka bamde basu jarang khat ngai I potentiality haka dor jongpi ka step ban ngidon ka ka baskem ban preng jongpi pin salong ki nong sumar ki pong ki wa ki bakri ki water bodies na ka ban rido kha ecotourism development Kindon on the Prenjong P. Ngadon Gazaka, Nidon Gazaka as an individual, maybe a group, Kilabalong, self help groups, Kilabalong, a society, Nagabata Bantongi Kiplang, Ban Long Ru, not only Ban Bahai Kamarian, Kumongalong Pimentan, Kumno Bakalaban I, Yakajing, Yaka income, Nagabata Bangalaban support, Yakadeka jing em gajonga but kam tam ro yaka yen ga sam gajonga even from the Institute of Natural Resources they will come as resource person but hikai yiki samla shapang kani ga new initiative nan yathu ipi few crops hangtai hapo kawai niki shinong hapo East Castles nila sedang ro ban introduce your lavender because that is a very cool region of the state but it is doing well Nila sedang roban introduce ya kini ki banyong ki kenja pudina mentha preparator hakaba through that processing unit ni extract ika menthol galong highly in demand hapo ki pharmaceutical industry prasamla kinong thiet mental lele kila ai pisang upai kinong rep ki jongi ki upai pitang shumi umpnyang phone ying in one shim umpnyang kile kumno mentang chu thu ipi the moment it is processed kila bo hak to top Ndagaralang gumba kambod metric ton ki test that very moment ki phone jo company online transfer ke pisa show ni nong rap ka khandau jongi kan long ka babha ngire bandan ko ka babiang la dang yamut banle kan ka kam khanang bang yamdan kam banthit ye ki raw materials nama the moment you invest on your raw inputs ka margin kala duna mo te ngem kwa ba phi phin plut bat ba ka jit plut ka jong phi kam long ka ba sei so soil and water conservation will do its part as far as natural resource management is concerned. Validation kidon ke institutions jong ke department jong ke government ke bala banera pp. Te tang digini ki kentir kendiat sesisian pat ngasko ban ai kublei kerpang ye pi ki prasamna. Ngai ya ke bright future jong ke state jong ke district lembah jong pi. Ban ngatip ban apreng kini ki sanpo ki sispangut kin sami ki entrepreneurs ki banlong kita ki lighthouse ki banlong kata ka dong musa ka ban ajing shai ye ki parashnong ki parathau ye ka district ban ye ka state ka jongi tang de ki contain ye ba khindiat khoblei shibone ye fi ye ka opportunity ka ba ka college kala ai nga ba ye ka team jongi
Pen Rio Spa ya kak tien la jong pen dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi kak tien la jong ai kan roy kan pa
Hakajing ya kop ye lekai ya ki bajop kiyo ya ki medal kakentien khasi kadai takama kidon lajat ki takama gold medal kamut takama kser silver medal kamut takama rupa but bronze medal kamut takama mong amdai renong nama renong kamut brass hakaktin pareng
la jong
tudayakan mau kendit ho
tien kasi
lapan mi dakapati CTV nakabentak jingmentoi upat ba